another week in my life vlog, or like spend the week with me weekend vlog. So this morning is my sister's Pilates class for her birthday. So I actually just got here a little too early because they pushed the class back a little bit because their class they're having now is late. So I'm in the car and I'm just putting on my little headband. So the theme of the class was like browns, creams, and stuff like that. So I'm just wearing this cute little garage set, and this is the shawl that I wore at the last Pilates class that I filmed the other week. It actually just goes with this outfit, but I put it with the other one. I'm going to put on cute. Okay, perfect. So this is the outfit. I love it. I got it from Garage. It like literally snatches you off. So, and then after we're heading to a little breakfast restaurant like right down the street. So yes, I will check in when we get there, and when we get inside I'll check in and show you guys around the place and get as many little clips for you guys as I can. We're all just like talking, taking pictures and videos before we start the class, but I'll show you guys some clips of how the studio is. It's called Glow right here in so super cute.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my own. Got me with a leash, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning. I understand all the things you told. Lost me in the morning. Baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever need it, I got you know.
Giving like Mean Girls. Alright, this is the brunch. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I would better.
I'm like, I'll sit over here. Being creepy. Cheers to Jalissa's birthday. Happy birthday.
This is over now. If you think I don't know by now,
I don't even like strawberries.
Yeah, that's so cute.
say you got the Hulk, being the Hulk man. Yeah, I'll choke you, bro.
A little in the camera. Are you gonna jump in? Are you gonna jump in? Another day. I'm taking you guys with me to my esthetician appointment. I'm going to touch up my lips today. The nurse that I go to, she's in Norwich, but I don't know if it's considered Chicago or Norwich because it's like right there on the cusp. But I'll share her information because I've been going to her for like a year and a half and I really like her. She's super sweet. But yeah, these are my lips now. Don't mind my face. I didn't put any makeup on because I can't wear makeup obviously for the appointment because you want to have a clean face. And I just did like a fresh blowout. I even cut my own bangs, so let me know what you guys think about that because I really want to get a haircut, but I really want a haircut, but I've just waited so long that I am just literally going to wait until after my trip I have in 2 weeks. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm just gonna like chop it off. Like, not like a crazy amount, but I'm gonna cut off a lot and then do like layers and make it look cute and fresh so I can have like my cutesy fresh blowouts. So yeah, I'm heading to my appointment now, and then when I get there I'll show you guys how cute her studio is and everything like that. Okay, so my lips are numb and we're gonna get started. I'm nervous. And this is Shamira. I'll put all her information here so you guys can book her and find her page and everything like that.
Like, when I did it, I wasn't looking at any videos because I didn't want to get scared. And then, but now that you tell me, I'm like, oh, I feel better about that. Okay, well, I had a ton of acne and I was so scared. And then it was my purple shampoo mixed with my pink one. And I was like praying. I was like, oh my god, what's that? I do. You're not swelling that bad, but I got. Right? Thank you.
Looks good.
I love it. Do you want a little bit more? Or yeah?
These are the lips right after. Look how good they look.
You got my attention.
Okay, I'm heading home now, and that's pretty much it for what I'm going to vlog today. These are the lips, and I love them. They're so cute. Make sure you guys definitely check out Shamira. She's so sweet. She's so like honest and she's so like informational Hello vlog and good morning. So we're gonna go to this little coffee shop, and I think I'm either gonna get like a matcha or something, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll bring you guys with me. And I'm just wearing this little brown Lululemon set. Super cute, has like the brown flare, but I'm just wearing like a little loungy outfit because I'm going to the gym later and I don't feel like changing my outfit 4 times today. So yeah, let's go to the coffee shop. Okay, so we made it to the coffee shop and I did a few little clips to show you guys how it looks. And it's really so cute. They have like so much greenery and trees. But we both got matchas. He got a ube matcha drink and then I just got like a regular matcha latte, but I added like some of the banana bread. It's yummy. So good. Wanna go? Wanna go? Look how good this one is. See, I finished my matcha. As you can see, there's nothing left. That is pretty much the update for today. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. That's pretty much the update. Okay, so we made it to lunch. We came for like but it's starting to rain, so we can't sit outside. But we're sitting outside. This is our
Chicago is also a metaphor from people all over the world.